are looking good. So not really in need of a mow, but I'm going to do one now anyway. After cleaning up the flower beds the other day, I have left a lot of little pebbles and sticks and other junk all over this little patch of lawn, and that has caused a bit of a problem. Just want to make sure I clean it up so that it doesn't go all funky during winter. We were already into our second cold front for winter. We got to below or just on 0 last night. Hung around for about 3 degrees for most of the morning, but not too bad all in all. It's full of little stones and leaves and just little bits and pieces all over the place, but I'm more worried about pebbles and things, little bits of compost chips and flakes, and it's everywhere. So I'm going to give it a bit of a vacuum more than a mow. I might go over it again a second time with the real mower, but we'll see. Maybe I will go over it again. So this is a 10-year-old push type reel mower that I use. I've used it for the 10 years. I use it on all the small spaces that I have, anywhere that I need to get a much cleaner cut closer to the ground, and also areas that are a bit flatter. You can see that I have done some renovation on this little particular patch, but it's not yet complete. I'll eventually get it right for perhaps a bigger mower at a later stage. So normally you'd go over that 2, maybe even 3 times, but in winter I don't want to take a chance with that. So I've just taken off the tips, and yeah, we'll live with it. And then for those of you who want a much closer look, so this is what kikuyu can look like already a few weeks into winter, and this is now approaching its 3rd month without water, no rain. And yeah, you can see like these little brown specks, those are still leaves from the flowers out the that I pulled out the other day. So this grass is still, sorry, I don't have the most perfect camera, but this grass is still spot on, and there's soil level, not even halfway. I haven't measured it, but that is not yet even 20 millimeters, and it's still doing all right. And you can see that the sunlight doesn't help it, but you can see over there I've got some patches, and that is because I was doing a little bit of dressing towards the end, and those are now marks from the dogs. And without proper rain, there's no amount of washing that away that can fix that. The only thing you can do is stop the dogs from going there, which in my case is not that easy. There's some more hardy guys for you. But yeah, in the spring and summer that goes away on its own. All this mess from the frangipani. It will be trimmed soon. That's kikuyu for you in winter. Not perfect, but good. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
And then the very next day, after 3 months, we get a little drizzle. Come on, rain.